Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you my card today for the monochromatic Instagram hop. This month's theme colour is Flirty Flamingo, so super cool. I have my card base here. It's Flirty Flamingo, half a piece of A4, scored in half, and it's a top folding card. I'm using the Cake Fancy stamp set from the mini catalogue for my design of my card today. You can find that on page 30 of the mini catalogue, and it's a gorgeous stamp. It's a sort of layering stamp with cakes. And I've got a piece of basic white cardstock here. It actually measures, let me have a quick look, 3 inches by 5 inches, so 3 by 5. I've sort of made it so I had enough room to layer my cake and center it fairly well, and you know, still have a bit of white space around it. So 3 by 5 worked really quite well. I'm also going to add a layer of Flirty Flamingo later on, and it's just that would be a really small layer. Yeah, so 3 1/8 by 5 1/8, so it's just a hint on either side. Okay, so we're going to stamp our cake first. In the Cake Cake Fancy stamp set, there's great layering stamps. So we've got a cake tray, we have the cake, we have like a wedge of cake, so you can do different styles, whether it be a full cake or a slice of cake. There is candles, hearts, flowers, fruit, what else is there? Icing, and little meringue, or it looks like meringue pieces that I put on the top of the cake, but it's also icing as well. But to me, I see meringue. Anyway, so I'm just going to layer my cake up here. So I've stamped full strength in Flirty Flamingo for the tray. My next layer is second generation. The next layer up is full stamp. The next one up is second generation again. So I've got like a 3-tier cake. Looks super cool. And I'm going to add the icing to the base piece. There's a stamp in here that has a like a bow, so I've layered that in there as well. So each layer has its little design. So one has the bow around it, the other one has the icing, the piped icing, and then I'm going to come in with those meringue pieces. You know what, it's just piped icing, but I'm going to call it meringue because I really think that that's what it looks like to me. Brings me back to my childhood. And then we're going to stamp the sentiment birthday wishes down the bottom of the card. Now I could have gone with one more layer and it would have looked really good as well, but you know what, it's fine, it doesn't matter. I could also stick a candle on top. So I really, you know, I wanted to keep this a really basic card. We're going to add the sentiment, and then in the background, because although the card front is Flirty Flamingo, it's really quite plain with the background. So I'm going to stamp some images in the background. I've got a flower. Actually, I tried 2 different flowers, and then I'm going to use that meringue piped icing as well, and just stamping around the outside. And yeah, that's pretty much the card. There is no ribbon, there's no embellishments. I didn't even use Wink Stella on this card, but I really think it's super pretty how it turned out. Now, if you're in need of any supplies that I've used on today's card, you can certainly purchase them in my online store. This is just one of the beautiful stamp sets in the mini catalogue, but we also have a annual catalogue as well. So if you can find images, there is online exclusives as well as a clearance rack. So lots and lots of different products out there. You can see all these products that are available over in my online store. There's a link in the description of this video. Now if you're placing an order, please use this month's hostess code when you're placing an order. What that will do is anyone who uses the host code will receive a handmade card from me as a customer thank you. You're also going to receive this Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle for this month in March, which for this month our theme is Perennial Lavender Sweetener. That is absolutely gorgeous sweet in the mini catalogue. There are 2 bundles in that set, as well as DSP and embellishments and butterfly accents, was just super cool. So you'll receive those 2 as free gifts with any size order. Now if your order is $65 or more in product before postage, I will also pop in the March tutorial bundle. Now the March tutorial bundle has over 50 projects in it. There are full color photos, all the measurements, all the instructions, supplies lists, and some have videos. So you're getting a lot of great inspiration there in that bundle tutorial, and you'll receive that one as well for orders over $65 before postage. So I would love to spoil you as a customer, and that is a great way of doing it. Now if you're looking to maybe grab some discounts on your own shopping and you would like to purchase the starter kit, if you purchase it through me, each month you'll also receive the 2 tutorial bundles through me. My team members receive them free every single month as a thank you for being part of my crafty family. Now if you live outside of Australia, or maybe you already purchased through another demonstrator and you would like the 2 tutorial bundles, you can purchase them off my blog, tracy.bish at blogspot.com. They are instant downloads and available over there right now. Alright, so I have added my layer of the Flirty Flamingo cardstock. I'm going to pop them up with dimensionals. You know, the more the better. It's not going to flop in the mail, that's for sure. And we're going to add this to the card front. I'm also going to add a layer of basic white inside. Flirty Flamingo is probably a little bit dark to not add a layer inside, so just so they can write on inside. And I don't show that in the video, but just know that there is a basic white piece on the inside. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed today's monochromatic Instagram hop card. You can go over to my Instagram to see all the other cards that have taken part, or my friends that have taken part in that hop. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you left me a comment. If you haven't hit subscribe, you could do that. And if you would share this video with your friends and family, I would absolutely love that. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.